What's up, everybody? I'm doing a little preparations for my renovation that I'm doing. You see behind me, starting to look fried. That dark spot there that you see in the middle, I use a blowtorch and burnt the grass. It was real thick through there. Bent grass is kind of crazy, but you ever start your renovation, got everything planned out, and then you get thrown for a major hiccup? I was thrown today. I scalped the yard. As a lot of you know, I've got bent grass. A majority of my grass is bent grass, and I've had a problem with compacted earth, real hard earth, and so I scalped the yard, ran the dethatcher through it again. Let me show you what I found. It's rather depressing, and it's going to take a lot of work to clean this up, but here we go. Check this out. I'm going to see how I adjust this thing. See that? All that work. See here. Look at that. Can you see that? Shirt's about this wide. In there. Not sure where it ends yet. Somewhere here. It goes that way. Goes that way, maybe 10 or 15 feet through the center of the playground there. So I got some work cut out for me. There's only an inch of soil on top of all that old brick. Talked to the neighbors, and they said that years ago one of the previous owners had a 2-tier deck. I have just 1 tier left. And from the second tier, he had a brick walkway all the way back where he used to have a pool, somewhere in the vicinity of where my pool is. So when he decided he didn't want the brick anymore, just threw a little bit of dirt over it. I'll never be able to grow good grass in 1 inch to ½ inch of soil, so I gotta dig it out. That's going to be fun. Not looking forward to that one bit. So have fun, Mike. You decided to be a lawn guru or whatever.